northeastern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, northwestern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, southern Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Belvidere, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Belvidere, Sycamore, Marengo, Genoa, Hampshire, Kingston, Burlington, and Union, including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 37 and 58. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
I was so busy playing guitar, I didn't even hear that go off at first.